Hey, what's up? It's Padee and welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you're here. Today's video is a collaboration with Donginbi. Donginbi is the skincare brand of the famous Korean ginseng company Jang, also known as Korea Ginseng Corporation, and I actually get my ginseng extracts from them. Donginbi uses red ginseng from Korea as their main ingredients in their products. Authentic red ginseng is derived from natural ginseng that's grown for 6 years in the soil. A special steaming and drying process is used to preserve the ginseng's skin repairing and detoxifying abilities. Extracts from the carefully selected red ginsengs are then used to create their products. All Donginbi products are made in South Korea and now available on Amazon. And I'm going to leave the links down below in my description box if you're interested. I do make a small commission if you choose to use the links, and I appreciate your support if you do. If not, that's okay too. I'm still very happy that you're here for this review. Now let's begin. So the first product we have is the Red Ginseng Moisture and Pure Cleansing Foam. And this is a rich sulfate-free cleansing foam that purifies the skin without stripping the vital lipids, while red ginseng extract conditions and revitalizes your skin. It contains natural soap bark and red ginseng soapberry extracts, which create a soft foaming lather that gently lifts away irritating dirt and debris. There is also a moisturizing blend of botanical extracts that help to maintain hydration levels for a comfortable, refreshed feel. In addition, it also contains apple fiber, which gently lifts and exfoliates dull skin cells to help smooth skin texture for a radiant complexion, and honeysuckle flower extract, which is an anti-inflammatory that helps provide soothing skin benefits. This has a dense, luxurious foam texture that leaves the skin feeling fresh and hydrated. I use a small amount and add water to create a rich foam in my hands. Then I massage the foam all over my face and rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. I use this alone in the morning to wash my face or after a cleansing balm as part of a double cleansing routine at night. This smells like ginseng and I love that herbal scent. Fragrance is listed as the last ingredient, and I typically don't mind skincare having fragrances because as long as it doesn't give me a headache, then I'm good to go. I did, however, did some research online and found out that the fragrance derived in the Donginbi products are from the herbal flavors of the 6-year-old red ginseng. I rate this 5 out of 5 stars. While I don't rely on this to remove my makeup, I have been really loving it as the second step to my double cleanse, as well as a nice gentle cleanser in the morning. And I highly recommend if you want to enjoy a herbal spa experience at home. The next product is the $18.99 Single Essence. This is a one-ingredient formula made with 100% red ginseng extract for antioxidation to present a clear, smooth, and youthful radiance. This is made with air decoction technology, which refers to the air circulation, which is about sensitively and stably extracting the effective ingredient of red ginseng. The air inlet of this container is designed to minimize air intake to maintain the product quality. And this has a natural earthy aroma of red ginseng, which is not artificial. After washing my face, I apply about 4 drops to the palm of my hands. Then I slowly massage and pat this on my face and neck to absorb the essence. I rate this a 5 out of 5. I love the natural red ginseng aroma. I love that this is lightweight and hydrating on my skin. I highly recommend this if you're looking for a lightweight anti-aging product that boosts hydration and improves your overall complexion and texture. The next product is the Red Ginseng Moisture and Balancing Softener. This is a moisturizing softener that drenches the skin with red ginseng condensate for a healthy and luminous glow. It soothes and balances the skin's pH while boosting the effectiveness of your entire skincare regime. It contains red ginseng water and sugarcane extract to deliver a lightweight layer of balanced hydration, as well as algae extract, which helps to condition the skin with vitamins and minerals for improved texture, and aspergillus extract, which promotes a higher and more uniform skin tone. This has a refreshing water gel texture that immediately disappears onto the skin for a revitalized look. After applying the $18.99 single essence, I like to gently pat this onto my skin. This smells like ginseng and alcohol is actually the second ingredient on the list. So rather than focusing on whether products have blacklisted ingredients, I've been really trusting my experience with products. And though alcohol can be a drying ingredient, this has been very non-drying on my dry skin, so I've been really liking it. I rate this 5 out of 5 stars. If you enjoy that at-home spa herbal experience, then you're definitely gonna love this product. I also love that this gives me a healthy glow and hydrates my skin while boosting the effectiveness of the rest of my skincare products. And of course, the packaging is super cute and pretty, and it has a nice weight to it as well, so it feels very luxurious. The next product is the Red Ginseng Daily Defense Essence. This is a powerful serum with their trinity of red ginseng oil, red ginseng condensate, and red ginseng extract that helps defend against the aging effects of pollution, stress, and fatigue. A high concentration of ginseng ingredients penetrate deep into the skin to help improve barrier function, visibly boost firmness, and counteract the dulling effects of fatigue. It contains goji berry and ginkgo biloba to help counteract visible signs of premature aging from environmental factors, as well as niacinamide and licorice extracts to help boost radiance for a more youthful, luminous glow, and anti-inflammatory red ginseng clear powder and motherworth extract to help reduce redness and irritation for a comfortable feel. This has a refreshing water burst gel texture that glides easily onto the skin for instant absorption. After applying the softener, I pat in a few drops of this serum on my skin until it's absorbed. I will say the applicator is hard to control, so sometimes I end up using everything in the dropper. To avoid this, I've learned to load the dropper and then unload a bit of the product in the dropper before applying it. This one has a strong fragrance of ginseng, which I absolutely love, which may not sound appealing to some, but I've grown to really like that scent. I give this product 5 out of 5 stars. I love red ginseng in my products, and I love a good lightweight serum that's not sticky or tacky. My skin drinks this up quickly, and I love that it gives me a nice healthy glow. I do wish the dropper was easier to control, but honestly, not anything that I'm too concerned about because it still does the job. The next product is the Red Ginseng Moisture and Balancing Emulsion. This is a hydrating emulsion with red ginseng condensate to help replenish moisture for supple looking skin. This contains sugarcane extract, which visibly plumps the skin with lightweight hydration for a firmer looking appearance. It has a lipid and polysaccharide blend, which provides a dual layer of hydration to aid in the reduction of water loss and improve moisture levels. It also contains algae extract, which delivers vitamins and minerals for improved skin health, and calendula oil, which moisturizes and helps to calm skin for a perfectly comfortable finish. This has a milky lotion texture that glides effortlessly into skin for a silky application and invisible finish. I like to gently massage and pat on 2 to 3 pumps onto my face and neck. And this smells just like the Daily Defense Essence, ginseng, herbal, and goodness. I rate this 5 out of 5 stars. I've been using this as a morning moisturizer and before my night cream at night. I love that this provides a lightweight, creamy hydration to my skin. So I highly recommend if you want to moisturize your skin with a lightweight feel. The next product is super bougie, and I keep it in its bougie packaging to really keep with the bougie experience. This is the $18.99 Signature Oil. I'm revealing the goodness. It's so beautiful and so pretty. This is their patented $18.99 Tech Red Ginseng Oil, which aids in improving skin moisturization and firmness to diminish the look of wrinkles for a luminous glow. It features the highest concentration of their red ginseng oil with a targeted blend of natural oils for a lightweight finish. The unique composition of essential fatty acids and antioxidant components provides nourishing moisture while promoting the appearance of younger looking skin. After application, my skin is instantly smooth, supple, and luminous. The weightless texture sinks seamlessly into the skin without any residue. I like to gently pat 2 to 3 drops into my skin until it fully absorbs. I love using a facial massaging tool after applying this oil because it gives a nice slip to my skin without feeling heavy or sticky. And if you look closely, there appears to be ginseng roots inside the bottle. I think that's a really nice finishing touch that they did. I rate this 5 out of 5 stars. I don't typically use face oils in my skincare routine, but because of this product, then I'm definitely going to start. This is hands down my favorite oil that I've ever used on my skin. I love that it's lightweight and not heavy like other oils that I've tried in the past. This is definitely a winner for me. The price tag is quite high, but a little does go a long way. This is the Red Ginseng Power Repair Intensive Eye Cream. And so I slide this over, and then you get this really beautiful box, and then you lift it up, and then it reviews the eye cream, and then there's a spatula. This is a premium eye cream with their trinity of red ginseng oil, red ginseng condensate, and red ginseng extract that deeply moisturizes to help the delicate skin around the eye contour appear firmer and revived. This visibly improves the appearance of fine lines and texture for a younger, more supple look. It contains niacinamide and licorice extract to help brighten the skin and counteract the look of fatigue for an illuminated eye area, as well as shea butter, macadamia oil, and squalene to help seal in moisture for a smoother, nourished appearance, and antioxidants, goji berry and ginkgo biloba to help minimize visible signs of aging for improvements in the look of lines and wrinkles. This has a cushiony balm texture that melts into the skin for a perfectly hydrated and nourished finish. I like to gently pat this into my eye area using my ring finger, starting from the inner corners moving outwards. I also pat any remaining product on my smile lines and forehead lines because I figure if it's good for wrinkles and fine lines, then it can help with my smile lines and forehead lines too. So while I've been using this for 2 weeks now, I haven't noticed a huge difference in wrinkles and fine lines, but I've noticed a huge difference in my under eye area. The darkness is gone, it's brighter, it's definitely more hydrated, and I'm just in a better place. So I have been really liking this, and I'm really excited to continue to use it and see if it can diminish some of the fine lines and prevent wrinkles in the future. I rate this 5 out of 5 stars. This is such a rich cream, so hydrating and so nourishing. This gives me a very luxurious experience, but I've been really liking this eye cream. I definitely see me splurging on this when I empty the pot. I'm really impressed with this, and because I have dry skin and dry under eyes, I definitely recommend this if you're looking for a nice, hydrating, and rich cream for your eyes. Next, we have the Red Ginseng Me Max Sticks in the set Vital, and it comes in a 5-pack. This is a protective mask that forms a powerful skin barrier to rejuvenate the skin. The adenosine found in the facial mask sheet can reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving the skin moisturized and smooth. This is filled with skin-soothing ingredients that are gentle on all skin types. The hydrating niacinamide provides deep skin rejuvenation. It contains a high-density sheet that is 100% made of linter for a comfortable fit. The packaging is genius. They call it their portable strip-shaped packaging. What I love the most about the packaging is that you can easily open up the packaging, revealing the inside, so you can utilize all of the essence inside. I love this. So after cleansing, I tear the packaging using the Easy Peel tab at the upper right corner. Then I apply the face mask and I leave it on as directed for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, I take off the mask and I massage and pat my face to gently promote absorption of all of the essence. I rate this 5 out of 5 stars. This is easily my new favorite face mask. I, again, think their packaging is genius, where you can literally just rip it open and it opens up. Like, you can literally split this package in half and you can grab all of the essence inside. It makes it so nice, so then you can actually use everything up. I love what's inside. The essence is so nice and hydrating. The sheet mask is already drenched in the essence, and then after applying it, there's still so much essence left inside the packaging. It leaves my face super glowy and hydrated, and the smell of ginseng is also a plus for me. If you're not a fan of herbal scents, then you may not like this line, but I love it. All right, so now let's talk about the price tag on these products. They range from $27.99 to $169.99, which is quite luxury and up there in price. And while I was sent these products complimentary, which I'm so thankful for, I have definitely spent that amount of money on skincare in the past. So I'm used to splurging on skincare so long as it's worth it. These products are definitely for someone who is looking to splurge, someone who is looking for products with red ginseng in it, someone who is looking for anti-aging products, as well as luxury high-end Korean skincare. Now, the big question is whether or not I would repurchase these products, because I think that is really telling on whether products are worth their price tag. And the short answer is yes, I definitely will. I definitely see me purchasing some of these products for my mom, as well as restocking on some of the products in the future when I empty them. I really enjoyed my experience with these products. It's only been 2 weeks, but I feel like I got a really good feel for how the products perform, and my skin looks so good. Like, I am so happy with my skin. My skin just looks so healthy and supple, and I've been really liking these products. So I'm definitely going to continue to use these. So I actually saw that they're having a Black Friday sale. So I actually bought their cream and their face mist, which I'm really excited to try. I haven't tried both of them. And I restocked on the sheet masks because I love them so much. I always love a good sale, or will splurge on products that I really love or I'm really excited to try. So overall, my 2-week experience was lovely, and I loved every single product that I've tried. And I'm really thankful that I was able to collaborate with Donginbi to review these products. So I hope you enjoyed this review and found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more reviews like this. Also, click the notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video. Please also follow me on my other socials at Padee Tina Kong. I hope to see you in my next video, and as always, have a beautiful Padeeful day. Bye!